In this video, you'll learn how to install Hunter's universal mounting system. This ceiling fan mounting system can be used in a space without a junction box and within 16 feet of an outlet. For this installation, you will need the following tools: pliers, a screwdriver, a stud finder, pencil, and a drill. First, start by removing the mounting isolators from the fan bracket. Next, remove the bracket screws from the universal mount and set the screws aside for the next step. Attach your fan's bracket to the universal mount using the bracket screws that you just removed. Now you'll need to prep the ceiling by using a stud finder to identify the support structure or beam. Mark it with your pencil. Cut out and position the mount template on the beam where you place the mark and tape it in place. Using a screw, mark where the pilot holes will go by pressing it into the center of each drill location identified on the template. Now you can remove the template and drill your pilot holes in the support structure to secure the ceiling bracket. Next, attach the universal mount with the provided hardware. Do not fully tighten the screws so you can rotate the bracket in the direction of the outlet. Once you've rotated the bracket in the appropriate direction, fully tighten the screws to firmly hold the bracket in place. Apply cable holders or screws along the path of the cable on the ceiling and wall to avoid slacking. Now insert the power cable into the cable holders to secure it to the ceiling and wall. Use your fan's manual to assemble the fan. For your safety, do not plug in the universal mounting system until the fan installation is complete. To wire your ceiling fan, twist the wires before connecting them to the coordinating color on the mounting system and secure with the orange connector.